Maximize your social presence. Share your Instagram post directly to Threads within a few minutes. But first, make sure to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from One Stop Solution, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to share Instagram posts to Threads. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, open the Instagram app on your device and navigate to the post you want to share. Below the post, tap the share icon. This will open the sharing option. From the list of available apps, select the Threads icon. And Instagram will automatically open the Threads app with the selected post. You can add your own caption, tag people, or include hashtag before sharing it to Threads. This step is optional but makes your post more engaging and personalized. Once you are ready, tap Post to share the Instagram content on your Threads feed. So this is how to share Instagram posts to Threads. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.